That's Paul.
I thought that was you.
No, that's
Who does Paul look like?
This is probably me coming down. No, that's Papa.
Papa. Come on, Dad, look at the color, not the purple and blue. He looks funny.
Papa, yeah.
Looks funny. It looks like he has a girl hat on.
There's Paul again.
Is that your old car?
There's Papa and Fritzy.
Oh, Fritzy's so cute. Ah, cutie, Fritzy. Is that you?
Yeah, there's me and Fritz. He'd sleep with me.
Yeah, you look funny. That's the back of your house, or front.
That's the back.
That's what I thought.
That's before they had the sunroof?
Yeah, they added on. Back.
Oh, we had a tunnel under in the snow.
Who made it? You or Paul?
Both of us, I think.
How?
We just take shovels and dig with our hands.
It's spell taller.
Yeah.
All in the orange.
Yep.
Wow, we watched a lot. Is there another picture of Fritzy?
I think so.
Yeah, are you in your snow pants or jeans?
I think just jeans. I don't think we really had snow pants. So there's Paul's in his track outfit.
Why did he shake his head?
I don't know. There's Paul. Getting the hand off. There he goes.
He's fast.
Yeah.
Does he have the Samuelson big legs too?
Yep.
Big muscles?
Yep.
Cool. Paul's fast. Is that Paul or no?
No, that's not him.
That's him.
Yep.
Do you have dryers? Wash your clothes or no?
Yeah.
Good. Who's that?
There's Paul right there.
He's fast again. I always
he's
say
a
that.
fast guy.
But do you think he's that fast now?
Oh, he's still pretty fast.
If I raced him, do you think he would win?
I don't know.
Probably. Maybe older people can't run as fast as younger people.
Well, here's where we're planting those trees that are in the backyard now. Those real big ones.
Huh? What big ones?
They're behind the patio.